In the world of numismatics, treasures aren't always buried beneath the earth. Sometimes they're hidden in plain sight, circulating among us as rare coins coveted by collectors worldwide. Today, we're delving into the realm of numismatic wonders, exploring 8 rare coins whose values soar into the millions. Welcome to Healthy Wealthy Lane, collectors and enthusiasts, to another extended episode of Rare Coins. I'm your host, Taluai, and today, we're embarking on a journey through history and wealth as we uncover the stories behind some of the rarest coins ever minted. The next time you decide to put all your spare change into the nearest Coinstar machine, take a moment to sift through it. You could be sitting on some extremely valuable coins that could help you build wealth and not even know it. Check whether you're a coin collector or simply wondering if you're sitting on a small fortune. Here are some highly coveted rare coins worth millions of dollars. 1794, flowing hair silver dollar. Minted in 1794 and 1795, this rare coin is one of the most expensive coins in the world. It was originally based on the Spanish dollar, as evidenced by its size and weight. Currently, there are only about 150 to 200 of these coins left. Its original worth was $1, but it's now valued at $7,750,000. The 1933 St. Gaudens Double Eagle is a truly extraordinary coin. Originally, there were about 445,500 of these coins, though they never officially circulated. Now only 13 known coins remain, one of which is privately owned. The 1933 version of this coin is perhaps the rarest and most sought-after one of all. The only privately owned one is held by Stuart Weitzman. It was last valued at $7,500,000 compared to its original $20 value. The 1913 5C Liberty Head Nickel, with only 5 known coins remaining, is both extremely rare and highly sought after. These coins have changed hands several times and have been named for the coin collectors who acquired them. They're known as the Norweb, Eliasberg, Walton, McDermott, and Olsen pieces. Trending now 6 rare coins that will spike in value in 2024. These coins don't officially exist in the United States Mint, but that doesn't keep them from being valuable. They're valued at about $4,750,000. Despite their name, these rare coins weren't officially minted until 1834 or beyond. There are 3 distinct classes for this coin, each of which was constructed slightly differently. For instance, Class 1 has lettered edges but doesn't have a rust pit. Class 2 has plain edges, while Class 3 has both lettered edges and a rust pit. There are currently 8 known Class Is, 1 Class 2 and 6 Class 3s. This particular rare coin is valued at $6,750,000. The 1787 $15 Brasher Breast Punch. These rare coins feature the initials EB on the breast of an eagle, for Ephraim Brasher. Only a handful remain today. Originally, this coin cost $15. In 2011, one of these coins sold for $7.4 million. Valued at just over $6 million, the Umayyad gold dinar is extremely rare and highly coveted by coin collectors everywhere. There are only about a dozen of them remaining, a fairly sizable number, considering the coin itself is around 1,300 years old. The original price for this Islamic gold coin is unknown. The 1894 Barber dime originally cost about, well, 10 cents. But now, this mysterious coin is worth far more than that. It was sold at an auction for $1,440,000 in 2020. There were only ever 24 of these coins minted, but now only 9 remain. Minted in 1849, this rare coin easily falls into the $1 million club. Made from 90% gold and 10% copper, this coin weighs just over 33 grams. It's valued at around $15 million. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, remember to click on the notification bell with the bell icon for more valuable news and information on valuable rare coins.